All time of year, man. In the winter, in the summer, in the spring, in the autumn. Guess where I'm gonna be? I'm gonna be right here in my hot tub, baby. Hey, what's up? My name's Samuel Leeds, and in this video, I wanted to reveal the kind of thing that I like to spend my money on. Now, this channel is not a showy off channel at all, and to be honest, I'm not a showy off person. I live a reasonably simple-ish life, considering, you know, how well my business has done and is doing. And one of the reasons I wanted to become successful is because I wanted to be able to provide a good life for my family. I wanted to be able to go on holidays. I wanted to travel. Traveling is something that I really enjoy. And the reason I am happy to spend money on travel but not clothes, I mean, geez, this top, I don't know how much this top's worth. Very cheap, very inexpensive. Normally I try not to spend money on things that are not tax deductible. However, I just made a massive purchase, a very big purchase, and the thing that I bought is a hot tub. I'm gonna show you the hot tub in a minute. Mandy looks ready to go in the hot tub. Are you ready, Manda?
I'm ready.
She's ready. So this has come. We've been waiting months for this to come. We're ridiculously excited. And here's how I could justify it, because people, you know, might be saying, Samuel, how could you spend so much money on a hot tub? And here's why. Mandy, we spend money on holidays, right?
Yes.
We spend big money. How much money did we spend on a California trip?
Tens of thousands.
How much on Dubai?
Tens of thousands.
Yeah.
Dubai's expensive.
Close to 100,000. I think it's like 61,000 pounds on Dubai, which is crazy money. But the thing is, if I'm having downtime, okay, because I don't have lots and lots of downtime, I'm happy. I like to spend money on experiences. So this hot tub, this is my justification. Because Maddie, who's the tight one out of us two with the money? Do you reckon? You're probably the tight one.
I'm tight.
So I have to justify it to Amanda. My justification was this. I said, look, we've had to cancel our holidays this year because of coronavirus. We won't even want to go on expensive holidays anymore because we've got a beautiful house. If we've got a nice hot tub, you know, we won't even need to go on holidays. So this is it. This is the tub. It's turned on. It's pretty warm. How hot is this right now?
I think it's about 36 degrees.
36 degrees. Do you want to go in first or do you want me to go in?
You can go in first.
So we're going to go in. Now, disclaimer, I do get a tiny, tiny discount off the hot tub for featuring it in a YouTube video. So I'm going to leave a link in the description. That's my disclaimer, okay? I'm not becoming an influencer now. I'm a property guy. And according to Liv Cook, that wasn't cringy, and that's okay to say.
Don't quote me on that.
Yeah. All right, so let's get in this. Also, do you mind passing my beer? That's my beer. All right, hold on. I'm going to jump in. You get right in. I'll jump in a second. All right, let's do this. Now, my phone, I'm notorious for my phone going in water. All right.
If I had a hot tub and they were giving me a bit of a discount, I'd do it. I'd feature it.
Oh, yeah.
Nice, isn't it?
Okay, this is not even a hot tub, is it, Liv? What is
A
this?
swimming pool, this thing.
It's
This
like-
is not a hot tub.
It's a cross between a swimming pool and a hot tub. And you can literally, okay, you want to swim? This is a swim mill, like a treadmill. That's pretty cool, right? That's pretty cool.
How is that working? What's it doing? Is it pumping something?
It pushes water, so yeah, it like,
Oh, okay.
pumps
Force
water.
underwood.
Force.
You can make it stronger as well. So if you turned off these jets, that would be much faster, so it'd be much harder to swim against. Yeah.
Oh yeah, he was telling me he has this thing for being underwater.
Yes.
I was like, please come back up for it. Like, we need you around.
Here's the thing, okay? I just feel so at peace when I'm in water. And to get a house with a swimming pool attached onto it, a nice house like this with a swimming pool will be way more expensive. And I always used to think to Amanda, I always used to say, would we prefer an indoor pool or an outdoor pool? Neither. We just get a nice warm swim spa hot tub thing that massages you, and you can kind of like, because when we go swimming, all we tend to do is float anyway, you know, we just float around and chat. So I love this. Thank you to Christina. Christina was the lady that made this happen, right?
Yeah,
Christina's amazing. If you're gonna get an expensive hot tub, or an expensive anything, an expensive car, expensive clothes, as long as you're paying for it out of your passive income, okay? Don't buy something that you cannot afford, okay? So as long as this is completely paid for by our passive income, so I can justify it. become financially free so you can do things like live in a nice house, drive a nice car, get a hot tub, no big deal. But don't do it if you can't afford it and get into bad debt. See, the interesting thing is banks, okay, and companies will let you buy this. You'll even see on the adverts, buy now, pay later, no problem. It's interesting that you can buy a hot tub now and pay for it later, but you start saying do that with a house, buy an investment property now and pay for it later. People go, oh, that sounds dodgy. Oh, it's risky. What happens if the investment goes down? It's like, what? This is crazy. So invest in nice things. Spoil yourself sometimes, but only do it when first you become financially literate. You understand the difference between good debt and bad debt. You understand what an asset and a liability is, and you're paying for it out of your passive income, not your active income. That'd be my advice. That'd be my advice. What do you reckon?
I agree with you.
She agrees with me. That's always a good thing. That's always a good thing. So anyway, hope you like the video. Hope you like the hot tub. I like the hot tub. Mandy likes the hot tub.
I love the hot tub.
She loves the hot tub. So subscribe, smash a like, and drop a comment. I'll see you next time.